Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the channel. My name is Gertrude, and nice to meet you. Today, I share with you how I make this peanut butter soup. So, guys, let's get into the video. Over here, I have my proteins that I will use. I'll go ahead to add some onion. I will also add some blended garlic and ginger, some blended pepper. I will also add chicken seasoning, some all-purpose natural spice. Then I'll go in with my shrimp cube. I will also add my salt and then add my tomato paste. I'll mix everything together. If today being your first time here, thanks for stopping by. This is Getty Cooks and we make food recipes on this channel. If you are interested, kindly subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. So now in my bowl I will add my peanuts. I will also add some tomato paste. I will also add some water and mix them together. Alright fam, so after mixing I then went ahead to put this on the fire under a medium heat, and I will keep stirring to avoid the peanut of getting burnt. So once it begins to cook very well, the oil too will come to the surface, and this is how I will just be doing it until it's ready. Now checking on our meat. Our meat is doing very well. I'll just give it a quick stir and then cover it and let it cook in its own juice. Okay guys, at this point there is oil on the surface of the peanut, which indicates that it is well fried. So back to our meat, is doing very well, and the aroma in my kitchen smells so nice. I will then go ahead and add my diluted peanut, the one that I fried earlier on. I will also add some water, give this a good mix, cover it and let it cook on a medium heat. Okay, so this is after 20 minutes. I'm just giving it a stir. I also went ahead to add my blended onion. I also added some garden eggs and okra. So I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos and also leaving a comment. I do appreciate all your love, your support, and I won't have been here without you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, lovelies, our soup is almost ready. So I went in with some seasoning cube and also salt. I will give this a gentle stir. Are you still with me after this time? If you are, thank you so much. And please don't forget to like this video and also share this video. So after 20 minutes, our soup is ready. Just look at this lovely outcome, fam. And this was also delicious. You can pair this soup with fufu, some kokonte, and you can also pair this with banku, and I really enjoyed this soup a lot. If you find this video interesting, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video and let it reach wider audience. Thank you so much for watching.